Today we're going to compare the FNmarket Partner Program with TSG Broker Partner Program. See which one is best for you. So in this video we're going to compare two broker affiliate programs that could be interesting if you create trading content or already have an audience around the Forex or CFD prop firm space. On the surface they might look very similar. They're both connected to the trading prop world, both are broker style opportunities, both use MetaTrader 5, which is one of the most popular trading platforms for CFD traders. Once you look a little bit deeper, the programs are actually very different, and the biggest difference comes down to two things: who your audience is and where your audience are based. Because FNmarkets and TSG Brokers are very different in regulatory environments, so they're likely to suit very different affiliates. If you're thinking about promoting one of these broker affiliate programs, this video should help you decide which one might make more sense for your audience. First, let's start with FNmarkets. FNmarkets is closely connected to FundedNext ecosystem. So if your audience already follows FundedNext prop firm challenges, or is a funded trader with them, or prefer higher risk trading content, FNmarkets could be a natural fit. One of the big selling points for FNmarkets is the low barrier to entry. FNmarkets has a minimum client deposit of only $50 and a leverage of up to 1 to 500, depending on the client and the region. So that kind of leverage can be very attractive to a certain type of trader. It may appeal more to traders outside the EU and UK, especially in regions where high leverage is still commonly marketed, and where traders use offshore broker models. So if your audience is based in parts of Africa, Asia, Latin America, other non-EU regions, then maybe FNmarkets might be an easier convert for you. And the affiliate model is very different also. FNmarkets partners focus more on volume-based rebates. So instead of earning a one-time payment when someone signs up, the idea is that you earn from the trading volume from your referred clients. So that means if you refer active traders like scalpers, day traders, or people who trade high volume, long-term potential might be more interesting. And the structure can go up to $12 per lot, depending on the affiliate tier. That's the maximum diamond tier, so it starts a lot lower than that initially. But there is a trade-off, there always is. FNmarkets is an offshore broker setup. It does not have the same regulatory protection that you'd expect from a tightly regulated EU broker. So from a marketing point of view, you need to be clear about who you're promoting it to. It may appeal to traders looking for high leverage with a low deposit, but it may not best fit your audience if it's mainly based in UK or EU, who care a bit more about things like regulation, investor protection, and low-risk broker options. Now let's compare that to TSG Brokers. TSG Brokers is very different to FNmarkets because it is a CySEC regulated broker. So that means it operates under the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, which puts it well inside the European regulatory framework. And this is a big point if your audience are based in the UK or Europe. Because when you're promoting any broker or financial product, trust and regulation really does matter. TSG Brokers is connected to the team behind the 5%ers, and that gives it a strong trust factor for people who already know the 5%er prop firm ecosystem. So if your audience already follows the 5%er prop firm, TSG Brokers could be a very natural fit for you. Another important difference is leverage. Because TSG Brokers is regulated in Europe, retail clients are restricted by EU leverage rules. So instead of a leverage of 1 to 500, like on FNmarkets, which is an offshore broker and unregulated, retail traders may be capped at around 1 to 30 on major Forex pairs. Now some traders may see this as negative, but from a safer, more regulated point of view, it can actually be a positive. Lower leverage means less aggressive risk exposure, and for a more premium, more cautious audience, that can be easier to promote responsibly. TSG Brokers also offers features that help with trust, such as an STP execution model, negative balance protection, and a more compliance-focused onboarding process. For affiliates, that might mean the sign-up process might be a bit stricter. You may need to complete proper KYC and go through affiliate approval and use approved marketing materials. But the benefit is you'll be promoting a strong regulated brand, which may help protect your own reputation as a content creator. And that's something I think is very important, because when you promote a broker, you're not just recommending a platform, you're attaching your name and your brand to that platform. So the highest paying affiliate program is not always the best one to choose. Sometimes the better long-term choice is the one that your audience trusts more, converts better, and causes fewer problems with reputation. So which is better? Well, it depends on your audience. If your audience is mainly global and is outside the EU or the UK, and your audience likes high leverage with low deposits and already follows FundedNext, then FN Market Partners could be the better fit. It has a strong prop firm connection, low deposit requirements, high leverage, and volume-based rebate model that could work well if you refer active traders. But if your audience is mainly based in the UK or Europe, you might want to promote a stronger reputation and a more brand protection, and TSG Brokers probably makes more sense. TSG Brokers may be better for affiliates who care more about trust, regulation, CySEC oversight, negative balance protection, and a more premium trader audience. Choose FN Markets if your audience wants high leverage, low deposits, offshore flexibility, and already has an interest in the FundedNext brand. Choose TSG Brokers if your audience is more UK or European based, cares more about regulation, and wants to align with a broker associated with 5%ers ecosystem. The other thing to think about is how you actually want to earn. Do you want upfront CPA style commissions where you get paid when a client qualifies? Or do you prefer long-term rebates, where you potentially earn from clients' trade in volume over time? Because that can completely change which affiliate program is best for you. For example, if you're sending beginner traders who might open an account and only trade occasionally, the CPA model might be more attractive. But if your audience is more made up of active traders, day traders, and higher volume traders, then a rebate per lot could be more powerful long-term. Before choosing a broker affiliate program, ask yourself 3 simple questions. 1. Where is most of my audience based? 2. Are they beginner traders, active traders, or high volume traders? And 3, do you want upfront commissions or long-term recurring commissions? Once you answer those questions, it becomes much easier to decide whether FN Markets or TSG Brokers is the better fit for you. For me personally, I think both are quite interesting, but they serve different purposes. FN Markets is suited more to global high leverage, FundedNext style audience. TSG Brokers is more suited to the regulated Europeans focused 5%ers audience. So the best program is not the one with the biggest headline commissions. The best one is the one that matches your audience, your traffic location, and your own personal brand. And remember, if you are promoting financial products, you need to be very careful with your wording and avoid making unrealistic income or trading claims. But if you're already creating trader content, then a broker affiliate program may be a useful extra monetization option, as long as you choose the right one for your audience. So that's my quick comparison of FN Market Partners versus TSG Broker affiliates. So which one would you choose? The high leverage FundedNext-connected option, or the regulated 5%ers connected broker? Let me know in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.